technological advancements in the business environment. In today's business environment, traditional management accounting is no longer enough to gain a competitive edge. With technological advancement, businesses can now leverage new tools and systems to automate the streamline the accounting process. The insights into customer behavior, market trends, and other critical factors that can impact business performance. Traditional management accounting is the process of collecting, analyzing, and reporting financial information to help managers make informed decisions. However, with technological advancements, businesses can now leverage new tools and systems to automate the streamline the accounting process, gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and other critical factors that can impact business performance. This presentation explores the need for businesses embrace technology to gain competitive edge and succeed in today's rapidly changing business environment.
Traditional management accounting. First of all, we discuss what is the traditional management accounting. In traditional management accounting, the main aim is to analyze, summarize and record expenses, and companies were not seeking expense behaviors and fluctuations. The example for traditional management accounting. In a company, a senior executive board holds all the power. They are in the command and use their power and influence to lead. Next, we talk about importance of traditional management accounting. With a traditional accounting system, each transaction is entered as the debit and credit side in separate accounts. Then that helps save money and time to business. Then business have to, every business works correctly. Because of that, one transaction will be entered twice.
Management accounting practices, cost accounting and cost control. Cost accounting helps to track and analyze the various costs incurred by the organization. Cost control involves identify cost saving opportunities and making strategic decisions to improve profitability. The second one is budgeting and variance analysis. Budgeting sets the financial targets and allocates the resources accordingly. Variance analysis compares to actual performance against with the budget figures to identify deviations and take corrective actions. The third one is performance measurement and reporting. Performance measurement uses to key performance indicators to evaluate the success of strategic and initiatives. Reporting communicates the financial information to stakeholders effectively.
Technological advancement in management accounting. Role of technology in transforming management accounting practices, automation and data analytics in management accounting, cloud computing and its impact on management accounting process. In recent years, technology advancements have had a significant impact on management accounting. These advancements have transformed now. Accounting information is collected, processed, analyzed and communicated within organizations. Here are some of the key technology developments in management accounting. First one is automation and artificial intelligence. Second one is data analysis. Third one is enterprise resource planning system. Fourth one is mobile technology. Fifth one is blockchain technology. These technology advances have not only improved the efficiency and accuracy of management accounting process, but have also enabled accountants to provide more strategic insight and analysis to support decision making within organizations.
Impact of technological advancement on traditional management accounting. First one, increased efficiency and accuracy in data collection and analysis. Integrating management accounting with other business functions can lead to increased efficiency and accuracy in data collection and analysis by combining financial and non-financial data from various departments, organization can streamline their data collection process and reduce the risk, errors or inconsistencies. This can lead to more accurate financial reporting and better decision making. Additionally, second one, real-time reporting and decision making. Real-time reporting and decision making refer to the ability to organization to gather and analyze data in real time, allowing them to make informed decisions quickly. This is made possible by the use of advanced technologies and automated tools that enable the collection and analysis of large volumes of data in real time. Real-time reporting and decision making can help organizations stay ahead of the competition by providing them with timely insight that can inform their strategies and actions. Third one, enhanced forecasting and predictive analytics. Enhanced forecasting and predictive analytics refer to the use of advanced analytical technologies and algorithms to forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data. This allows organizations to make more accurate predictions about future events and make informed decisions based on those predictions. Enhanced forecasting and predictive analytical can help organizations optimize their operation, improve the product and service, and better understand their customers' needs and performance. Last one, integration of management accounting with other business functions. Integration of management accounting with other business functions refers to the process of combining financial and non-financial data from various departments within an organization to provide a comprehensive view of its performance. This included integrating management accounting with functions such as marketing, operation and human resource.
Challenges and risk of technological advancement in management accounting. Technological advancement has brought significant changes to various aspects of business, including management accounting. While technology offers numerous benefits, it also presents level challenges for traditional management accounting practices. The example challenges, the first one is security and data privacy concern. As technology advances, the risk of data breaches and cybersecurity threats also increases. Traditional management accounting system may not be equipped with robust security measures to protect sensitive financial and operational information. The second one is skill gap and training requirement. Leveraging new technologies requires a certain level of technical expertise. The lack of skilled personnel can hinder the successful implementation and utilization of advanced management accounting technologies. The third one is cost implication and return on investment. Organizations need to carefully assess the return on investment to ensure that the benefits derived from the technology outweigh the cost incurred. The fourth one is resistance to change and organizational culture.
Case studies of technological integration in management accounting. First one is adoption of cloud-based accounting software. This shows how technological integration has revolutionized management accounting, presenting new challenges and opportunities for organizations. One significant technological advancement in management accounting is adoption of cloud-based accounting software. This included real-time access to financial data, improved collaboration between departments and enhanced data security. Second one is implementation of data analytics tools for cost analysis. The second case study examines the implementation of big data analytics in management accounting. These insights help management accountants identify cost-saving opportunities optimize pricing, strategies and develop target marketing campaigns. Third one is automation of budgeting and variance analysis processes. The case study explores how a manufacturing company implemented RPA to automotive repetitive and rule-based, such as data entry, reconciliation, and financial reporting. Next one is artificial intelligence. Final case study is artificial intelligence. AI improved forecast accuracy, reduced forecasting errors, and provided valuable insight in the future market conditions.
Thank you. As a result of the technological advancement, we all of have to rub shoulder with the technology. Because of in the present all of the things dependent on the technology. At the real sense of the word, the technical advancement valuable for manage those things effectively. Future trends in technological advancement in the management accounting. First one is artificial intelligence and machine learning in management accounting. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the field of management accounting by providing business with the powerful tools to analyze data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. These technologies can help a business automation route, help to business automate route, task improve accuracy. The second one is blockchain technology and its potential applications. Blockchain technology is a decentralized and a secure ledger systems that store and share data across a network computers. It has a potential revolutions introduced such as a finance and healthcare and supply chain management by providing a transport and temporary proof record transactions. The third one is Internet of Things and its integration with the management accounting system. The Internet of Things refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, home applications, and other items embedded with the sensors, software, the connectivity that enable them collect and exchange data. The integration of the lot with the management accounting system can be provide real-time data on production process.
In conclusion, importance of embracing technological advertisement in management accounting, a call to action for business to stay updated and adapt to the changing environment. Traditional management accounting has been focusing several challenges in the business environment due to its limitation of providing real-time data and insight. Technological advertisement have provided business with advanced tools and techniques to manage their financial operation and make informed decisions. The integration of cloud-based accounting system, data analytics, and artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way business operate and manage their finance. Financial information enabling them to make better decisions and stay competitive in the market. However, business must also be cautious of the potential risks associated with technological advancement such as cybersecurity threats and data privacy concerns. Therefore, it's essential for business to strike a balance between technological advancement and maintaining the integrity and security of their financial operation. Thank you.